The Pier 1 data center in Toronto, Canada is just weeks away from completion, and WHIR TV has been there every step of the way, and we continue to capture the last of the build-out. Remember when they were building the switchgear room from our fourth installment? Well, as you can now see, it's near completion, and in it sits the medium voltage gear. Ladder racks are quickly going in, and they'll carry the copper connectivity. The server cabinets are roughly in place, and this gives you a good idea of the width and positioning of the cabinets. Say hello to the one female construction worker on the site. Moving along, we see that the conduits are in place, and we'll feed the transfer switch from the generator side as well as from the utility side. The Liebert 181 chilled water cooling systems are in place, as are the bypass cabinets and PDUs. Here's something we haven't seen yet. The 500-ton York chillers are installed. One of them is redundant. These canisters hold the gas used to charge the chillers, while this cleansoid is used to flush the pipes. We see the chilled water storage container. Right now it's wrapped in heat tracing for the winter so that nothing freezes, and insulation is still to go on. Heading back inside into the generator enclosure, we see two 2-megawatt generators in place right now. Eventually there'll be 6 in total. The diesel fuel for the generators will be stored in these belly tanks, and eventually louvers will go into place in this opening for the intake of air, kind of like a really huge car, complete with rads. So this once empty lot and shell of a building is set to become a state-of-the-art data center. Be sure to stay tuned as Pier 1 puts on the finishing touches of their newest data center in Toronto, Canada.